Brendan. Nice and tidy, mate. Good stuff.
Yeah, come a long way, brother. I'm about to put the pork loin in the oven.
How long for your pork, Brendan?
It's going to take 18 minutes in there, so I'm going to get it on the pan now and get it in soon.
Sear it and roast it 18 minutes. Are you going to temp test it?
Yeah.
Brendan, I watched you when the cook started, and there was a kind of assured calm. A bit more process going on in that noggin of yours now, yeah?
Absolutely. Like, the time I've spent in a kitchen has been so invaluable. I know how it works and what's important, and sometimes little things are very important to the end product.
There's a few people I'm really worried about succeeding because they'll be a big threat to the competition.
I have a very massive gut feeling about Brendan. Competition-wise, Brendan is huge. Although he was first eliminated, that boy has immense knowledge and really great skills. Come on, Brendan!
So, we've all had a wander around. There's some good food out there.
Yeah, there is indeed.
I mean, Brendan is looking like
he's on fire, isn't he?
He's looking good. He's well organised. He's clean. Certainly his processes make me think he got better in the competition. He could actually be quite a talent.
Sarah, for example, has made this incredible roulotte, making a gorgeous sauce. She's revisiting her dish that eliminated her, and she wants to get back in, and she wants to cook it perfectly. And Georgia, little roulotte again, paying lots of attention to the detail. She's on top of the fact that she knows she has to cook an amazing dish, and if she doesn't, her chances of getting in are scotched.
What's going on, Byron?
My dish is I'm doing squab a few different ways. Just got some of the pigeon. I've taken off the legs and the wings, and I'm steaming them. Once they're cooked, I'm gonna go with the egg white batter, throw them in some hot oil, and I'm gonna spice that batter. I'm gonna stuff the neck as well with some of the breast, and I've just sauteed off some mushrooms as well with some thyme.
You know what I'm remembering is Marco talking about simplicity, talking about flavour. I wonder whether he'd like it.
Okay, thanks, Gary.
Gary's got me worried now. I set out to impress them, and now I'm beginning to doubt my dish. But all I have left is a bit of pigeon breast, and there's nothing much I can do with that with the time that's left. I think I'm in trouble.
For one of you, this is like your birthday. Many happy returns. 15 minutes to go.
15 minutes in, my chocolate's melting, my citrus crumbles in the oven, my hazelnuts are in the oven, and yeah, cleaning's just nowhere.
No big mess here, Nick.
I know, I'm sorry, love.
There are raw egg yolks in the sink, there's flour over there, there's bowls here. Nothing's changed at all.
Nick,
Yeah, Nan?
in a minute, why don't you put some of the dishes in the sink so you've got a bit more room?
Whatever. Oh, Nick. You are one messy boy.
I don't mean to be. What are you making?
So it's a salted chocolate ganache smear, then there's going to be a hazelnut sponge cake in the microwave. There's going to be citrus crumble. Cool.
Love it.
Sounds good. Half an hour, guys, in meat.
The big thing is obviously you want to get back in, right?
10 out of 10 want to get back in.
Absolutely, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Are you happy to see Brent?
I am. He was my best stick here, and I missed him a lot, so.
Out of everyone, I want him to come in the most, so...
He's got a lot to do in 15 minutes.
Nick needs to cook a banging dessert. He's got to get a move on or he's going to have nothing to plate up.
I think like everyone wants to come back. It's an incredible experience. And there's so much more to happen and you want to be a part of it.
The last time I did this dish, it kind of just turned out to be a bit of a mess, to be honest. So this time round, I'm just cooking something that's going to look really good, hopefully, and taste even better.
I've been actually helping out in Udavi's kitchen as opposed to hosting the degustations. I'm helping cook them now, which is great. To get back on the show will give that such a lift and it'll help me out so much. Grilled prawns and a herb salad is certainly a simple dish, maybe a little bit too simple, but I am showcasing the produce and hopefully that's enough to get me back into the competition.
10 minutes to go now for me, and this is the moment of truth. 90% of this dish is having a really nice, moist pork loin. There's a lot riding on this tiny piece of meat.
What's it at, Brent?
63.
Yeah, leave it.
63 in the middle, so
That's fine.
leave it out.
Just
Yeah.
take the top off. Yeah, perfect. Just so it doesn't overcook.
Look, I'm really happy on how I've handled this time. My only concern now is I'm getting to that stage now that I've got to use the oil, and the oil is where things went wrong the last time, and the shakes are happening.
I want to stay because I have got a lot more and I can do a lot more, and I want to show myself that I can do this and I can keep going further in the competition.
I'm not burning this pork again. I'm really, really not burning this pork again.
You 14, remember these words? 5 minutes to go. Come on.
Go, guys.
Sean's on target, Brendan's on target, Sarah's on target. You can see they're fighting to get that spot back.
I'm running out of time. I need to make my microwave sponge. I just splits up some egg whites, some hazelnut meal and some sugar, and then it just goes into a little coffee cup in the microwave for about 45 seconds. I look at my sponges and it doesn't look airy.
Are they cooked?
No. It looks dense as all hell, really. It looks so dense. And I'm kicking myself because I can see my dream of getting back in just sliding away.
It is time for me to make the hot and sour sauce. When I try to open up the sambal sauce, it just shattered in front of me.
Why is it?
I'm actually very worried because I know that without the sauce, the whole thing will not work. Maybe if I filter out the glasses with a sieve, it will be a safer way to do. I know that I shouldn't be serving it. I was just so flustered that I just all of a sudden I serve it. And that is the moment that I done the worst mistake in my life.
This is it, time to cut the chicken roulade. Last time I did this, I cut it open and there was this pink bit in the middle. It was raw. I'm slicing through that bit of roulade. Oh my God, it's cooked. Looks beautiful. I'm so happy.
Oh, I'm nervous, and you've only got 1 minute to go. 1 minute to make those final touches.
30 seconds to go. Come on, make sure everything's ready.
Make sure you're seasoned.
Come on, bam, push. Now this is where it counts. 10 seconds to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Your time's up.
I'm messy.